Welcome to today's video, where we will learn how to hide your recently chatting activity in the Clubhouse app. Many users want more privacy when using Clubhouse, and hiding recent chats is one of the easiest ways to do this. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process. First, open the Clubhouse app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap on your profile icon at the top. Next, you will see your profile page. Look at the top and tap on the settings icon. Then, click on Name Your Account. Then scroll and look at Hiding Recently Chatting. This feature is specifically designed to protect your privacy by removing the visible list of recent conversations. Finally, turn on the option to hide recently chatting. A confirmation will appear, asking if you are sure you want to enable this setting. Click on Yes, Hide, and the feature will be activated instantly. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.